So start of day 4 and we're about to go and pick up some wheels for the p50 from First Marketplace to see how that goes. Just got the supplies for the p50 build here at Bunnings. So yeah, should be good. Got everything we need. Well, that's a weird failure. That's really weird. Just like went off that way and then came back. Odd. I think it's because it hit there, so I'm going to push this back a bit and then, yeah, and try and print it again, see what happens. With printer, we'll print fine during the day when it's warm. But as soon as it gets cold, it's just no good. So just... There we go. Into the waste that goes. So I got the old wheels off and the new wheels on. Looks pretty good. Suspension works pretty good now. Now, just got to put some more, got to dry some more filament for the printers and show you how that's going. So, we got this printer here, printing out 4 pieces right now for the roof. That's printing out for the front hood section. And then this is printing out for the roof as well. And so is this one. As soon as these 2 printers, that one and that third one over there, as soon as they finish printing, we'll have the entire roof printed. And I just need to chuck some more red filament in there. Gotta dehydrate some more, get ready for the next batch of parts. Here's the red filament I use, 3D printer filament. Just standard stuff. Here's PET-G. Open it like this. It's hard one-handed. There we go. Got the roll. Stick in the dehydrator. You can fit about 6 of them in there if you really want to, so I'll chuck another one in there. So turn the tang on. All these empty rolls here. It's on PET-G. Set the time, it's just going to let it run for ages. The minimum you need is like 6 hours. Just put like 10 will do for now. It'll be about when I need to take them out. So I'll get another one out of the box here. And then put that in there. And yeah, it should be good for now. So we got all the filament in the dehydrator, ready to be made into actual parts soon. So this printer's working right now. But it's like 27 degrees outside right now, and we're in a shipping container. So it's going to be a bit hotter in here at least, I reckon, because it's a red outside, a dark red, so it'll absorb the heat. So the printer's working nicely now because it's in a giant heated enclosure. Especially when I got the dehydrator working, all these printers are working, and we've got 2 more printers in there working as well. So it's pretty warm in here. Should get a temperature gauge. But right now it's happy, and it's you just got to print during the day and just not at night. Very temperamental. This one's got another couple hours to go, another 2-3 hours to go. And yeah, we'll get that all sorted. Put another part on it, maybe one more today. And that'll be it. We might be pushing out the next one. It's already like 4 o'clock. Probably got a couple more hours of printing. Yep. I'll keep you updated. I think it's day 5 now. Printing the p50. It's looking pretty good so far. How the tables have turned. Now this one's not working, but that one is. What about the other one? That one's working. That one, not working. Wow. So it's the end of day 5 of the p50 build, and we went to go pick up some wheels. We got 9 wheels, 2 carburetors for $100. That's a pretty good deal. But we bought some welding stuff. It turns out we bought the wrong welding wire. We were supposed to buy gasless, and we bought gas wire, so I had to use the other welder instead. But we still got the job done, and we even got the thing started too today for the first time.